Abusiafo mechia obi bia ene ye ba behwe enkomo a na mene mudi enra ye betoa so ene na ansa na ye behye ase no medin de Hopsin Adoye eti we a blogger na opese ofa ayede ya obi bia obi ansi ukwan but me ye frame Hopsin Adoye me ye politician me yire enye politician me yire eye gospel musician eti me hu nie nti a we a blogger na obefa mi video se wo de ye wade na wontimi ntworo Hopsin Adoye gise okokotworo me yiridi I don't know every ana ekire de menti ase mesramo if you are using my video mention my name Hopsin Adoye take my wife out of my videos. Take my wife out of my political engagement. Mr. Remo, it is a 1 year mede to honum. Say, offer me video, anything of me. Now, what de my wife attach here, I will see you. That one, take it from me. My name is Hopsin Adoye. Hopson Adorye. Take it. I am doing it as Hopsin Adoye. It's not a family thing. Eti moi mode me yiridin na tag me na so and so husband fire so and so. Hey, go and then edit it. Put my name there. Free eneko be ye bibi to honum na wo ka ho asem. Na wan family ankasa medi anye na wo de me yiridin be bata ho a I will sue you for that. Because ultimately emfa me politics en konkonko frafra no. Besra mo a. Mesra mo a. Bedin the Hopsin Adoye. Wo de se wuntimi inspire a wo hwe me page a is there. Me ba muzayin. Eti mashada da me ye we no for the start. We a blogger. Na o pese o use video no de ye obi bia. O pese o jujwa mi mu se den kra na I don't care because I'm expressing my opinion. But mention my name. Me yire ne me manka ho. Me na me ye. Eti mami mo we RTV. Mo you show me video nunra. I don't have problem. Go there and edit it. Put my name Hopsin Adoye there. Koko ye me yiridin free mu immediately. Besra wa. Koko yi free mu. Wa nyam free mu a me ne wo betwe manso kakra. Me pa cha wo. Me den the Hopsin Adoye. Wo pe full name of Hopsin Yaovi Adoye. Write my name there. Se what de me yiridin atache a obenya problem. Obenya problem. I am big boy enough to handle my own issues. Eti notice is hereby served. Madam Wase, Ebra yeshase and then 3 days. Adam ka se osofu bi owo krom ha se ye frɛ no Prophet Kofi Oduro. was in a national Alabasta Church. Now, President, a year update number 23 or so. Now, what the measures at all? Because a second of who near Ekoso ewo mayimu. Now, look, the latest rankings are ebaye on management of COVID-19. A international organization and a year, the whole world. Yes, say a man penny for more bombarding a management of COVID-19. President Ibidi Kai Obi Tosumienu, Ghana president and a Tosumiensa. Hey, me de hwa me hu. Me de hwa me hu. Me ni agye say me wo president a we are fana nyina a assessment of management of COVID-19 na yen Ghana yeto so 3. Na say me hwe Nigeria ni bia no oye video bi me say the guy ne say onyaye ananko ye Ghana ni we proud of your president. Na Prophet Kofi Oduro wo de wo na we say we ye kokotako eti wo no wo ka eno ano no na papa yi o arrogate power be to himself a menim be bi onya sa power de free so said the mechanic no ye wasofo mpenimfo okrom ha sei they are quiet, and that is the bane of this country. Nyame ekoswa enkrofo say omo kasa no they don't talk. Omo say omo twe enkrofo adwene sisu say saade we ya wo ye enye papa omo nka mama no nko pasisi ya na hwade. The reaction ashase na eba. But in fixes there is a law that in every action there is equal and equal reaction to that. Eti say action here, as say reaction den eba. Eti say ye din na say yankasa na ekoso sa. One thing, this man offered no prophet no, Prophet Kofi Oduro no, gradually no war indoctrinate Ghanaians. Say ye be dru baby no, ye be so in discipline in this country. Ye be in discipline. Because Ghana ha asase so ho. Ye se Nyankopon e na hwe nyina so. Sene Nyankopon ete soro yesom no. What the representatives aba. So for the representative of you. I don't know or kanya mi asem ni bi keke. What does it? Or can be keke. No ana efi say oh, why you okay, wako Bible school or ye sofo. Fine. But Ghana has say ya enhyehyaya ye toaba. Ni yi nipa baako se wono na ndi Ghana nyina anim da won hwe yen ye Nyankopon no. Ye Nyankopon no. Because se wanye bibi ye nyina ye betimawu ewo ye man mu ha sei. Enti na ukọ Bible no mu a abrɛ no na yɛse Nyankopɔn atu ne hene na wotu ya wodi si hɔ no ɛte sɛ enne ɛyɛ president of any country. Baby wɔ hɔ no mu a yɛte sɛ wɔmo ɛto aba. Baby wɔ hɔ no mu a ɔno appointe ɛde de ɛkae ka ho. Ana wohwɛ Bible mu a ɔhene bia ni hɔ a yeyi na ye izesa. tumi wo hoi emu odu pao emu odu hwe emre bia na meka there is no kingdom in the Bible up to Jesus Christ amojangu. So it should tell you say yes sister obi wo tumi obi eye penny obi a president it's not just an easy thing. But this prophet Kofi Oduro aye na adwene say ono de obu odi ebu onfa bi ma ye mampeni ye president da. You can belong to any party. I am not saying say our party A and I say party B, but ye nim say Ghana has say hey obi owo Ghana has say your nanti bi our party. Only say amanfo ni bi wo hono mu a omo nye can say party politics. But Kofi Oduro wo ye sofo a esese ye hwe edisua de. Wo na esese wo kire discipline. Wo na esese wo kire nkrofo say ye di mraso. Wo mom why ye too in discipline in this country. Because officer who preacher who tiem enti entiemu nti no chese wo na wo. Hwe 1986 or so ana mitie Pastor Mensa Otabil the preaching. That time who say na ye yegu cassette so ni atoto na ye boni etie any ade. No, Mr. Titie no 1983. Eti those days you know ya ko that time na mo brown hafo ye bokumasi bia no matoto sa cassette no na ye de ye. Na the cassette ba kwa ye tie ye wo ye international organization bi aye survey said the mama award eba Pastor Mensa Otabil winning the best preacher in West Africa early 80s best preacher ene Pastor Mensa Otabil hono wadaso o preach won kase wa preach from that time just wa winning say you wenti ano wono ene ye ono a Prophet Kofi Oduro makacho se okasa no wankasa yie makacho se wani nso ade umu ade hwe edana metie no woko OKFM no wa ya no aka kwasia wo Bible mu no akwa bie Proverbs no akwa bie yi enya mo asofo na mo se Old Testament no yi wo hunti ane ade ni ubae na de ntina kwasia na wo New Testament mu no ya wo nkoto wo refia Matthew 5:22 waka bibi fa kwasia ho wo se onipa biara a wo bebie wano aka kire wo nua se wo ye kwasia no osra himamu unkobi wo da wo hwe me bia wo ti ofie wo office anase bibi sa wo kita Bible a bie ene Bible nye na wo phone so bie na kan waka wose obi obasi ne nua raka a se kire okwasia na so nipa hu osra himamu unkobi. And this is the man our friend who prophet wo gina ayisu sa wo preach now the man 30 minutes obewie no use the word kwasia be 20 times and obi ye kwasia to ana wo se wo yesi ana wo tonyom na yesi wo kwasia to ni ne kai ka ho wo yesa no ma nyina. Adam Gogu, it's not a beef. May means that any beef. That beef, no, I'm not part of it. I am saying something very fundamental. And who hear the whole nation? And who hear the whole nation? As you say, yeah, politics. Nebia, can, politicians, yeah, ubia wo dance about working any other. So, ubia him say, yeah, politics. This is a man of God. You need to teach the principles of God. And yes, Nyankopon enye saka. Nyankopon, yes, God is a God of discipline. Na, yegina yenim say, ye president or ye doctor ni. Wonye obi a wo hwe apomuden ho ene ade. Wode de wo ko school, ni okoko sua ye a wode ye adwuma eye law. yenim say oye lawyer ye wa doctor for a doctor for na nkasa nsoso kra wo honom no ye wo omo ye scientist omo hwehwe enuama mu omo ye say ye wo lab technicians ye wo nurse for ne they all come together and arrive at certain things enti ye rebi wo honom na say omo hwe kra na enya nipa baako adwene omo nyina kekasa no ma wo nyina bom no omo de aden omo de ayadwuma enti wo mam ye hu say bebi a yaduru no enya Ghana nko asem ne ye kan wiase afana nyina the most powerful country on this earth America omu so UK for omu so Germany for omu so hey na Ghana de nga ye kan ga ye ka hu bi ebi ato yen can you see look let us do this. I thought that man for say lockdown. It's not easy. Yeah, your system here in this country. Ya kase shedema ko baby obeden wadidi. Abroje de okase obi shedema. Restaurant for sure mu restaurant omu ye yi. Ye wo few people bi a omu be delivery. Eti eno ansa wo show them. We say oh me pe fried rice and chicken. Na wo de wo card na say mobile money. Na wo de atuaka. Ote hwa de abele o. De aduane asikwan no. Na waba befa wade na odi call inside no akwakodidi bibi bia wo pe bia no wo betima hye wo dem 1 year a wo sabeka essence systems no so eye kamenti aban pese wo ma obia bibi kakra di to aduane adi a obia nsabeka ne de because system no eye kama obia account number obia bibia e wo system mu Ghana hase ye be yeden yakase obi anhye dem a wo be yeden and wo live enti ade yi aginsam president ba wasilo figures na ba bonten no eye so alarming enti asramu public events bibi ti say wedding na say how many weddings na was already them Nancy, Saudi wadi two for more. What is a hood where ye ginano, emu 80%, and see was already them. A month for see a the garden, ye no was a ye nin a kaka home, will be crowded fear no was she shall hold not so far by no bed and no blessing. It's weddings, nightclubs, beach, and then the kaka hunino. Ye say ye the sumato so. And she said, Ubia etimi a yes adeno. Na asori nsoso no ye hye mo se mo kwa asori a munni emra na ye de ato ho no so obia be wura asori dem ho no won horo ne nsa won make sure so ahye nose mask no wo de sanitizer ayayi wo wura asori dem ho a ye ntiti ye mu da ye make sure say bibia ye den aye kama ana o kan sa asemu yi sabe President Bonia waye thing. First time I kasi akọ lockdown. Obi se woni de wo pia akọ abonte kra akọ hwe se obi ani abonte ana. Security for years or more enforce law kakra ye nyina ye hu ye. Send the media for ese efa asem no ana obi apia adenti na ese bia obu nipa no adenti na ese o punish nipa no ene de kai ka ho. Nafi ama sabiama no aginsam President kasa semu ya sofu ya ofre no ho prophet eye prophet Kofi Oduro ba ya president nyani okan na oye hypocrite chese oye nyachum. Now God will punish hypocrisy. Hey! So if we onsro nyame Mede sabe Bible do menimu. But minim one thing. When you read Romans chapter 13 from verse 1 going, e ka sembi. Wase mo ma kra nyina amre bro mo ho ase. Enhye tumi biara e wanu nyamase. na tumi biara ndi ho gye efri onyame. Eti omo ni tumi ni di asie no, omo ne ono Nyankopɔn ene di asie. Prophet Kofi Oduro, Mediamao, kan Nana Gagra, o kwashe na ubisa de inquisition. When the update of the COVID, I will be say about president din. When the update. You see, it is a obekase. Government should take responsibility. Government cannot say now will be a question of political rallies. No monkonko tuaba ye inauguration. Edin de kaika hon. Edin amadi na koso. Look, are you telling me say because of that intino? Your constitution no ma enye dwuma, right? Ye njai na ye nya constitutional crisis. Sana officer ochire. Ah. Opedi ogasare de enye de bagokra. Enye de bakukra. Na ubenya Ghana force so a papa no wakasa yie pa. Yo. Monkoso pa. Ose usu. I don't think Senka is Obasokrava Beshe for the first time. For you to write that thing. I don't think Senka is Oba me page in Sukra. So, if you think it's needless, why should you come there? You are one of the people who are Omuma Ghana, your problem, Kesiapano. You are one of them. Yama region, I indoctrinate you to a point, say, Chese, ya family Juma. Eti, obiti mikase, mi dware. Me hunso na me dware no mo nsansuo no nom mo be kama na di padjechire no mo sa no mo nom. Israel ana nyamsom ehyaase. You cannot go and do that. Israel sofu bia ni Israel prime minister ebe kasa say COVID nhyehyeye ni a obeba be ka kire prime minister and say oye hypocrite. He will not leave. I'm telling you. I have been to Israel before. Ujina Jerusalem, uhu Bethlehem say, as one to me nkoho. What do you mean? Omo Israel, they know. Say Israel, Prime Minister Akasa. Why? Say, ye can say, so for be best original, Ababeka say, why hypocrite. I mean, Sasem na walk no. Wo ba o say wutu a wugina say I say needless no. Say menim o age. Say wa wo na say wo ba. Na say wo hwe sa papa na e say hu say straight away. Akwala no ye dua bibi e wo no mu. Say peni kasa e say wutibi gina no si nchen. Me hu no ye. Me hu no say o a political preacher. Say what they study the preaching. Were a political preacher. You will be yes, you have right to also add a voice. But as soon as you say all the time, no, I am proud of my Bishop Ajinasare. I am proud of him. Last year, or Kasembi, now I'm for say one candy. The following year or just say or politician will come after will be able to say yes, this is a matured man of God. So on yet, the Mecca Jinani say, as of one in more groups are more joining cancers ne a home near Kikaka. Mesram. As of one penny for Mumma Yenshe BP. May war a yibu has a ambassador. I'm say Ghana National Charismatic Churches Council, a Council of Churches, NACCC. Now, a honum, I'm say National Association of Charismatic Churches, something. Now, oko honumwa, sa papa ya soli. Oko sa website na eno number 2 Alambasta Church House Chapel Action Chapel na FS Alambasta ediso na edididiso sa am say omoye no according to alphabetical order and edididiso na me hwemu ase me hu aya na but me ma sorry nka hu oko Perez wo Pentecostal Council honum any ade na sa council we no am say Bishop that Merce ana oda no me nim say oda so eda no a ye wo mpanimfo ahodo bebre amo honum. You need to call this man to order. You need to call this man to order. Because the warrior no emfa kwan mu. Ye can the first 20-30 good pastors in this country. Nedi imam. Ye nim se abebo Duncan Williams mo Bishop Adinasare Pastor Mensa Utabeda go am se ne wenu ya bebo abasa. Kofi Oduro udi imam. Which how many branches? What is 30 sanu how it's a hifa? Ana ye Samuel Mawi. Then you come and then insult the president. Ni aja to honum say, hey, why nyame ni panti. Me mama be di watem. Me mama me kasantia. Bet me say wasem na wo kan ye no anchire buo. President of a nation. I wakase enne sabre ya ye kase wakase obia nkwasha dem na wo wudi America na gba kwasha dem ada. Na constitution say wo duty say wo boga na ni bia ho ban. Na yare yi ba no the measures abeto ho no ma wo so a hypocrite. Obeni goviodo. Umuade. Na makache say Sunday because of wuntino Sunday me man grofo aba wasoro aba beti. So one retract I apologize to a year Tuesday expect a press conference from me and I will call all the authorities to call you to order. Menkasi ebechu, menkasi ebe yo bibiao. But a soft form pending for cancers, ne Christian cancer in the Akaka Huninano, they need to call you to order. Because all conscientizing Ghanaians to resort to indiscipline. Why are we in no? Who percent Ghanaians and resort to indiscipline? Nanka president akasa president yet near margin kakran say be say anasi say to the point he say you are hypocrite and God will judge you. Hey Papa we ba bogo there share makachro me say uti ye nyina ne say Akufo-Addo and the president. Uti ye nyina no. Ekoya ba ko na nka wa obohu. Kasabre ka obohu se ni omu real left and right. Kompeti watema ma wa raho. Wodim. But we are not going to do that. Yeah, the big nyina ne say retract the statement and then apologize to the president. He say, "Oh friend is all a hypocrite." We are not going to allow that to happen. We are giving you time. So wanya neche se boapayo. Adi esi kokra ma mfere se obesi uhini so awonso me mfere se odi asa wa beta so. Aditi na me kasa nyina from 3 days ago. Me kasa nyina no. Me say me mesha me kasa. Me mkasa mama no enye den entiawo. Me nkonko di watem. But ye twe wadwene si so. Se wo ye nyame nipa a wo se wo ye nyame sofo a sasem we ya me ken. Esi se to wakoma so na wo kasa president. I am sorry for that. How can you say that? Are you God? Share, we are seeing how you way. Share, we don't go on. Yeah. Don't go on the Oko Supreme Court. On governor the door. Judges no the door. You have not appeared before them. Nkawa ubo hu send your city. Ujiro moni mo a hu send your sunsum eho eye drufa. On ma mebo. Bo betima ka se kokko dam for life. And you go. Some crofoni nyina ehye papa yase. Wo mu di obuo emano. Asofo mpanimfo amabobo mu di nyina ede obuo ema president. Wo dia wo se wo so sofo ema Ghana hada. Eti president kase bia uba bedi atem. Meanwhile president kase Ghana for emu so free. Na wo di America na wo bu ni free. Na wo di America na wo bu ni free. Yet electricity so na when you na was sunlight. I don't know the one guy so a hypocrite. Share. We are not going to allow that. Also, may say retract it on your platform. Then apologize to the president. Say, what friend so a hypocrite? Bible no baby a esiutu no wakotu hodom no wakan hwe wokotu Proverbs a yebekotu Matthew e de amon so wokotu Proverbs yebekotu Matthew e de amon e na maka no say yes wokwa ya say so kwasia e wo Proverbs wo bekeka ba woka oba Matthew hodom a chapter 5 hodom a wo de wokan a e ka kire wase obi obesi ni nua se oye kwase bia osoro ahemamu wonko bi count to number of kwase a wasim krofo up to now count to there's a heavy ho ben ho e dey asem ni ekai do kre da ho ade aga o ebra covid no mu ye din somewhere June one more say you honum say April ho say June ho baby be refi the actual month last year South Korea ye ni ha no munyina ekokoye ye kan say omoye elections corona ginu mu pa no South Korea and the first country wo do elections yes so omo agimiti no mo do election no that be because they have a constitution. Time no pa ho na so mwanti manya, there will be a crisis. Who will call himself a president? I will manage this situation. I come for I was saying, one say, yeah, sukra ija him. So, Yesua ija him. Yare na nodding. As I say, Jina, ye share who's na wo sofo na nkasakra no wa sorry dem o da hwe se obia hye max now the ye kan say camera to om so why are there wa sorry dem ho nso sa wo sofo ya wo kasa yi hwe se de wo kasa wo tietiem kasa wo kasa wan tiem kura na intesuo free wat no e banketenkete na se ne utietie tie wo dem droplets ahodo a eba you have no idea you have no idea kasa no atiem tie na wo tugum sa na wo tugum ebi beki kan crofo max wode na no ka ne nsaka max no ayi wode ne nsaka nani anase ne hwene wa infected no menkasa wo corona but it can be so. Now one serious thing wo kan ya emma me to asadi we so ma shed that full video no asi what's it then we say coronavirus no enkokura na egungun mo should I say you are ignorant about that enkwala na egun you can say enkokura na egun mo eti wo kan kwakwa kase chese akufu ado ya kokra enkokra fo de kumomo na wo de mo nkoso ebe kunkum ye de ye mrantie na chese wo kofi odo de o ya brantie eti wo de corona no entimi nkun yankopon hira opa why Nyankopon shaupa. She obi bi odi na no si Akufo-Addo so ana Akufo-Addo bewu ana Akufo-Addo be say ne nyina Akufo-Addo hwe wo hwe omo ayie wo hwe emrante ne mabawa na omo ye ana Akufo-Addo ay say Akufo-Addo hwe di nyina akwa bi o madam fonte me mbese meka ni story ka sam to Akufo-Addo so ya Akufo-Addo ku ne yire ani na otwemienu na ono an yire awu yatu de fa wa no si president so hey sia chese odo corona be ku no ejesa odo ya branch enti ubeni ache god Nyankopon ene mani pankon Nyankopon ne hwe nyina so Nyankopon wode ne hwe nyina so enye o preaching till na wo tiase o you should know share one American preacher bi a very great pa me refilling chese asofo wo kromo nyina obi ate ne nkape na obi aya alert obi atie no wo ye good otukwan ono wo ne private jet otukwan akwaba Rome wone ne yire ne manyi na omo awu nyame nipa okwakoye nyame adwuma wo wate atofo mo awu amunu mu hono mo a etu do ya branch a yo koso Akufo-Addo de ye nyina yenim so ya kokra but Nyankopon na obosro bo asase no obehwe Akufo-Addo so ama Akufo-Addo ani ache ama Akufo-Addo ahwe Ghana fo nyina so ama bibia akoso kama bibia be koso kama etu de koso yesramo asofo mpedifo yesramo monfa mo anu ntum yase ejire so a kafese pa samu ajire so a ni akosofo sofo kasa wo se Nyankopon ti obonse no bia ayedin no bia jetum ni yeko yedim nene wo se president ababe ma update onti ase se wo se ade no kosoro asifu se mra pene sha ase kosoro oveni umwadi enyo tipeni president ana waja anase wona enye wo maame ko a wo chemu wo anase sabio wo papa onye nse wo maame enkwane waja ne wona ni ehu se peni bia obi bia wodi wanim a woye peni wodi akase bia wontimi nwo woye wodua peni kura only 60 years old only 60 years obehwe na bia me ne wa na wo ayi bia wa chan mi abe 2 years bia na se biza zom etese Bible ni se di waja ne wonani na wona ayeden aware e wasase so we yesofo you know and for the year say Ghana is concerned ye nyina ye papa ene Akufo-Addo ene Jo Mahama ne papa ene Akufo-Addo because ene Akufo-Addo ene ti akonya no so Akufo-Addo ne ti akonya no so etie nyina we look up to him na woso oye hypocrite enti sofu dro Kofi Oduro se wakofie na oba a wawo no wama instruction vi say yi na ogina wanimu hwe wanimu anu okase wo ye hypocrite. How will you feel? How will you feel? Nye ehame eye indiscipline war inculcating into the people of Ghana. He what can you na sorry for no mu bom nsam no mu bom nsam say eish Nyankopon fa ye bone ncheyen wuti asori dem wudi o mampeni atem na sorry ma eye den e bom nsam wo hawa ya brand yen ya brand food yen eti ne na no wo ka no no mo nti ase tie I am telling you enope enana encourage you. No kati I'm telling you no. Me say droplets are not aircon. Na nyagro. Na what the koso? Kase president ye hypocrite. Etin semo waka no what the won fa nyasem. When they start hating your church members, ubehu ni padodo ebeba ababeto correction amon. Ubehu. Nanu ya president kase ya ye lockdown kakra. Ma ye nkwa sorry. Na wu kam. Na wu kam. Adentina wanye di antina ho. Say ye easy sa. Adentina wanye di antina ho. In fact, Ghana for mumma yen sorry. Na yen kasa. Ewo ni DNA obuo kwan so. Papa yi wa anya ni yie, mum yen kan kire no. Akufo-Addo onye Nyankopon ba, Nyankopon na ma ye wo no, ne ma me ne papa wo no. Na office enye Nyankopon adom na wodo so a, Akufo-Addo go be president. Hwe circumstances. So I call elections severally and so ba be president. It should tell you how wa Nyankopon edonofa. So wo ye nyame nipa, eti wo ye nka wasem. Ah, be say I've given you up to Sunday in your church service. As I said, wo kasa asem upon second thought, you should have a way of dealing with it. But you need to apologize to the president. One yes, sir, may say I am going to hold a press conference on this issue. I don't know by a bigger forum. Then the public then would deal with this issue at that level. Yen transe, massa indiscipline, koso. You are to lead. You are to show the way. You can't say Claire Nana okay with that. Wouldn't no crash as a CDO account. So, a 7 I may delay with you. If you are not interested, go off, please. If you are not interested, go off. I am begging you. Pardon. May odi matter my family. But you cannot touch the president and then we'll keep quiet. We cannot. We cannot. Say political person be and other Papa Kasa ye say NDC for Kasada. CPP for Kasada, Ubia Kasada, Anambwa. What is Ubia kwa comment that? No. Yani ya ye want to say ye politics. Eti ye wo ye kanu political talks. It's there. It's accepted. Wona wo ye sofo. People are looking up to you. You don't do that. You don't do that. Share Germany. Nientia. Womuye discipline bibia ekoso eye ewo hɔ ne sɛ. Ya wo akola no. Na ye de emra no ahyɛ akola no mu. Eti akwala nim se sadie we yenye wonim sa woni akwala nam ewo Germany na wadru kwa ho crossing aso red abani pa se ontimi nko wo hwe kwanu mu ka bia ama be ye 500 meters away ka bia ama you don't have the right to cross se wo pani no nko agrade a wasam ye ayi kakra se akwala school going age eka wo ho. Now they no cross wa. Eish. We ya ho na wo people square ti me jo people no twam ni antipoto. Because you so corrupt akola no mind a odinyin. Eti hwe okwa abrochira kraman apie. The kraman no nko akra no dru kwan ho be onim se esese ofa zebra crossing so. Odru on no who say red no pe krama ne begina ho a so green na no atiasim no okọ. Enkrama yo e wa brochire. What do we see in Ghana? The bane of Ghana today is our region. Our region. Our region. Among for tenacity. What so for be preacher would now who say yes. Because last Sunday be a sorry. That is so for preaching. I know go far social media near them say, oh preacher, what shall say meeting na? They say the way I will open my mind that day. What? Now, just say, what you mean say? Asam wa ma hu nneoma bia this one kasa. That is what we need. Yen chire Ghana for the SSA den ye. Ma yen chire Ghana for in discipline. No. Eti Sofu Kofi Duro. We say coming Sunday you need to stand on your altar where Wokase president is a hypocrite because Wabema update, you have to be there and retract and then apologize to the president. You need to do that. It's a must. It's a must. Nana okay. One share my broke war from war so. That is, it is my war. It is my war. And this is not politics. I'm talking about indiscipline. So you're true Ghanaian, you should be concerned about that. You should be concerned about that. And it's in Yatanasia Sabe. Former President Mahama, watch me penny. Watch me penny. And say me at my private my too insulted. I can't do that. I can't do that. I no more follow me pa no. Answer no bon say manu atra no. Let us say obi the one ababeji too. So because some meti honum yeah politics, yeah discussion. Now dia Akufo-Addo atema me nka so ya de ko. No, it is politics. I am talking about a religious leader. And for that matter, a prophet. You see, what can one Ghana anya problem no? What can? Because what is so of won't fear CBM. Won't fear say, Mr. Officer won't me share. I mean, back off and then go baby. What I'm saying is that Prophet Kofi Oduro must apologize to president. Kofi Oduro must retract that he said president is a hypocrite because wababa ma update. Aka say yare no ekosoro yen hwe ehu ye yen share mask yen huru yensa ne yen sanitize yen social distancing. Eti o ye hypocrite no because wa makwaya mbia kwa koto aba wa makwaya mbia kwa koye inauguration edi ne kaka ho. Hwe se utie ni statement kra why na wa mo fa ballot paper wo parliament na mo we no. Hey prophet, we are disgrace. You are a disgrace. Because what ye asie dunketia, ama asie dunketia say obi for ballot paper and na no worry. No worry me do that. Meanwhile, ye gina ye hwebi. Carlos was in mass. No one shed those masks. It's what the for nose mask na no worry anase den. Because I would say obi kanti no. When gina property so can say parliament obi for ballot paper na worry no na one spread there yi. We a disgrace. With all due respect. And you should say fine. Maybe ebrebi ameka. Nyankopon ane edan no. Nyankopon ane esre se wo ma ye nkwatenten. Oh, a problem with also bempa. Kona koko condemn no why. Be pacho. Kona koko condemn no. Me asemo aba. A sofu bi echre Ghana for in discipline no. Eno ho asem na meka. Eti menka obi asem. Asofo Ghana doso pa. Sofu ba ko pe na meka na asem. Na sa asofo ba ko no a meka na asem no. Eye na asem a waka. Atemu a wadi president. Sa o show Ghana for in discipline. Eno ho asem na meka. Eti wo ya. You are on Facebook. So Facebook eh down so kan wo de. Ana mebwa. Ka wo de. Eti mesre se Ghana for moma yenyina yemfa yano entum na bibia entimi enkoye. Me what I am seeking to do and say papa no ebeka bibi na sorry mba hu se oh papa adwene ba no ho so kra no watimi aye bibi afa this guy I need to block you because onye ready to I am going to block you. Now okay, I will block you. You will not have access to my wall again. What here? Anyansafo na egusu no etie. Eti ye why ye free honum na ye de yen ho ne ye be. Enti de me seek to do ni say sofo no ebema na sorry emma. Ehun say look, we as Ghanaians we need to be disciplined. President is one person. Ministers say you omo an ministers do omo ye 126. Wa sorry ma do so say ministers no, right? Eti dey debate my individuals and ye beba mu an ye ba benya that collective effort to deal with any issue in Ghana. Eti misro wo hoi I don't think say near wo hwehwe free president ho no otimi ye bi ma won sorry ma. I don't think so. I don't think so. Eti, you are also to lead. Make sure. Say bibia koso. Share. Obi say easy za. Enye izo. Enye easy. That sabi ma we no. You see, you say it is always good to be bold and fearless. But at times it's better to be coward. During that statement, it is always good to be bold and fearless. But at times it is better to be coward. And you go for I don't want to ever Morgana ho. I don't want to be to Magasetiamu. David. But the person me catch you they say, we are not going to accept your insult on president. This is not the first time. Ma monitor wa check akra. Na times the way president ekasa, president yem, the way obese to phone enye etiesro. Yase ne opese amanfo eyema no. Esi se wo yesa bi ema afoforo. Eti misrawa. Yes, Edna Solomon Ekano. Se Bible no kra ekase or kasa about respect. Would respect it na se wo ona wawofo a boshe ewum. Wase ema we den wonyinche. Sa asem we menya sofo, menya prophet. Me just an ordinary person. I'm quite sorry. Woman making come Bible. Kakra minimum. So for coffee drew. Say one retract is as a way. I apologize to President. Obenya problem. Yanko Pobemo was sorry no crab. Take it from me. Say one patchawa. Yanko Pombema was sorry no. That ube tietie mwanu be sorry for was sorry honum no. Be humble and eat your humble pie. And tell president to say you are sorry for calling him a hypocrite. Say that. Why just idea? You have a jump before so you can say 6 months so say electricity in ever more train in full. Ensure I will normally free and I'll be trading in full. If you don't respect the president, I can offer you no. What is your by your Jim Rikawaji? A yawde, oh no, oh so can you also air condition with him, a yawde. What by on fat taxi be amre say Muntia, no I can say I didn't know the taxi brain. Ye nim ranoso because a man for woo, yare no cosro, ye hospital sigina ye ma. Hey, and that's a Enra and will be catch him say, Yeba Baimu 2017, custom penia, ye no commander, Ewatema, Habo, your friend no, can say, Manticoju. Enra will be catch him say, Wahoo, because of COVID. I was so shocked. I was shocked. Hey, Papa, you tell Nasu, come, just say, walk over. I am a mama. Dear, a shock me cry. I have been a national security coordinator. Hey, what be catcher me say, Papa, ever cost just say, a bear me to muda. No want to do no cacraja. Yen you let him say Ghana, the other problem, your malaria, or treating malaria, just say, well, the ban of Hoswa, Papa. Hey. Share near air to a month for. Sabe, despite group of companies are a yo more pine, a mau preachy, a more TV, so no more radio. So, despite company bako, the manager bako, ya. Oko. Why go gra? Coffee do which chance our branch to baby. Oko. Eti wuti hono me say, go for ya go grantino, ya renu kunkum ngografo. Yo chrome say. Yankopon a chese ono na ye the ultimate judge no obe judge woni president. So say God will judge a president because we are hypocrite. And yes sir, in the Bible menim say nipa mienu bi kwa sorry dem so bokobon pai. Ba ko koy o say Yankopon me nsem fata kra se nka me ba wanim. Ma ye bone hwa me bone so na jemi. Ba ko so sorry Yankopon me dia wonim say me ye kama me ye trini ni me tua me tight me ye bibia. Babo mo na mo kire yo. Yasi Yankopon ehwe ni oka so ye dibone fo no. Oje no. Ni oye trini ni no opamo no. Sorry dem enya trini fo ne ko ho. Ana onim za. Oye so fo na se onim say dia na akakakra. Enye atrene fo ne kwa sorry dem. You know. Yes, Christ am ma training for. Anameboa. And some na u preaching no this wo. Remember catch you say, look. Share 101. Oh, information with them. My catch you say, look, that is not my interest. My interest is not to bring the man down. My interest is for him to apologize to the president. For people to know, say, hey, yeah, penny for say didn't need mom. Say I no phone more as I see to me patch our and then my interest. That's all. That's all. I am not here to bring you down. I will never do. Huh? For me, you receive a quite another. What is it? And you know. But it is not my interest. Menye so. Menye. Eti sofu confidro. Awie de me ka kire wa ne se. Ensemo a wo kafa president hu no. Make sure say Sunday we wo betwe nsem na san no wa pa ne chew e wo won sori mba nanim. Wa nyesa me on Tuesday I am going to hold a press conference on this issue. Now, sorry penny for the groups. National Association of Charismatic Churches Council and the Omomkai Kahun, our member. No. Meshe, same penny for and me and fro. I'm apologize to the president. Be ye press conference no area. On the near who say we are all ready to descend. We are all ready to descend. And would descend heavily. But yes, sir. In discipline now, person will plant it in this country, no, you get the other side of it. You'll get it. Yes, sir. Asofo ye need that so say mo na mo beboa ama o man na eden akosoro. Mo na mo beboa ama o man na akosoro. But you don't come and be teaching people in discipline. No. We are not going to accept that. We are not. Etienne Kwana chase dabe na start preach yempo. Dabe. Question the man now, yeah, I say, Matia, sorry. Eh? You was off for Ghana how? I saw for Mudim or Mokasa who say yes or Makasa. And then Tientiamuno. And then Tientiamuno. Ghana for the Sabe, a toda, you are Mahunani as also. So, dear Tiano. And one year also. Na ye dear China, ye, and President, you are hypocrite now for bomb himself. Hey, Yanko Pon from one in Chamuati. Yanko Pon and fa mo born in Chamu. Mo Solomon at the 1 Timothy chapter 2, verse 1 and 2. What ya ba? I kasa about honor. Nidie I am for my penny-for. Nidie. What oh, and I kwasia o Bible mo can Proverbs so ni ade. So for ya can Matthew nsusu bi. Why? Ya can Matthew nsusu bi. Mekai, I was watching you the first day and I'm catching my wife and say, look, this can say software heaven in NC ho. And I say, and I said Mekai, and I'm say, what am I for Bible? And I'm Mekai, and I'm saying this more kasa about can say brother Sammy. Maybe the issue be no waka. Sabe umuadie kwasiato no waka ni sao. E wa sorry dem o. Enye se bi o ti radio sumbo, wo gina puppet so no waka kwasiato. Hey. Me see that day or you saw kwasia more than 15 times. And I'm saying, no, this man will not go to heaven. And I'm in far Bible. And I'm be Matthew chapter 5 verse 22. And I'm be and I'm saying, yes. The Bible no can say you na ye this a Bible mu asem no e ya asem a e de be ko ba bi dia. Then this man will not go to heaven. He's a candidate for hell. I don't regret that too. Say nyame asem. Asem a Bible naka. Say wo se onu akwase a enya dia obetima ko heaven. Then what sorry. Nyango pompe arrogance. Anything was obi obema no husu bia na ye bre na se. Me se one pa president achewa Nyankopon kasa be bre wase. Wote wa no wa sorry na bose to no waji wani so. Emre bi atwa mu abrante bi sorry e dear friend na preku my daughter. Edura ya na ono na timi carry the service life for radio so na mamfo di America. Eni ade no mu bufa so sa. Ego season. Eti me de me imagine ni. En eye enhye emawo se osofo. Wo beka se president asemo a me kan editi awo no banka ne ye matwe asan. Keke mayi free. Na wa sori mana no mugina ho na no mu bo mu nsam ma ono. Omunsa mo munsamu say ye papa yi chese wa kire say o ye matured person wa kire say chese o ka bibi na say anko yi a otimi hu eye yi na fi ye the discipline ehye enkrofo mu eno adama enawie yi mede nkomo yi atoa so. But I am assuring you say one pa president chew I will sorry mananim Tuesday. Expect the press conference. The press conference in India. Abo say yes. Ya be kodi ye pa. Ya be kodi ye pa. Na hodom de be kire asofo. Say obi ye sofo na so ye arrogant nipa wo ye. Sofo bia ni hodom a nya menipa bia ni hodom a wo ye arrogant. I am telling you. Yes, so konya me fear there is peace. Ahobrase. Huh? Mwana ana moka fruit of ye dem. Huh? Your holiness, you know. Arrogance in gahu. Anameboa. Arrogance in gahu. It is a president akasana say, we say when the president in yadwin, it will be dinner temwa. Mecha umanya nkopon. But assassin so I say there, as a super president at all. What twe wasem the sign up on cho, one yepa there no the be face opa. Because ye chacho honumwa. The next of us so be the same thing. The next one be the same thing. Na fa chinsem. Hwe say Ghana has say yetimi so nsem so anan ma ginsem. Hwe obi yare. Yare ya wo yare wo hu say doctor pe e de betima asa yare no. Yes oh yesunsum. Na so menko hospital. No oti hwa no awu. Obi anya ne hwe. Amanfo a awu because of asofo no. You have no idea. Obi anya diabetes, the sugar kosro. Ese se wo fa dro di control. Ese o ehunhum yare. No what you ne ko no atwahwe no awu. No awu. Ese se yanka ho asem nti no. Obia eye no afa no ho adi anu woko just like that. Besramo. The fruit of the spirit no e ka ho brase. A kind of extension, or cronkron ye, and asumdwe, or do, and in the kakika. One can't arrogance, one can't timidity, and in the kakaka. And the prophet Kofi Oduro, as a so bro once, now withdraw statement on now pa president at all. Mrs. One panic, may know the Bessia new chrome has he, Yantiasia. All I want to achieve, and they say, there should be discipline in the country. We don't want indiscipline. We don't want it. Yentimi. Dabi. Share the late Reverend Asante Anjui. Now, we chairman of your Council of Elders. Last be. Na president ko baby say ya. Na me can. No. Me say hu papa no. Ash. The way I was a boon etiap like I say, hey, just say, me anything. I'm say, hey. So one funny say, one no ye leader ntino. Wabaya ni opebia. Tepi obo de ma papa ne that day. Me sua de bebre e wo mu. Me sua de bebre wo mu. Hwe ya mame Elizabeth ohene papa ihu na uhu chese ebuode dan we are meeting ejanam say I see entia chese wondu no ye president no abrasia eya no wo kaya there was national event bi obi a chia na president asofo no banana president asori agina ho no hwe ni dia Ode mamo asofo. Hwe di ode mamo. Because I will yesofo nti. President Akasa, oh you hypocrite. God will judge you. Hey. Oh, sofo. Umwade. Sabe. Wanimye. Kaunti min kasa semwe. Wo kasa no wonim se cameras si usu tu yo bi ona bia nka wo kasa semwe ana sofo no hufuo no mo aye wode de obeka koso neka de dia nyankopɔ obeka se wa ende wa sɔre no ma Jeffrey winsam no that day wo behu enye wo ene sofo a waba Ghana wo asofo wo Ghana papa Pastor Mensa Otabil started so wo preaching am say next wo say primary school or say middle school am say na wo ho wa preacher babisi ne oda so preaching obre no ho ase boko ajiansare started so wo preaching no na wo hefa obre no ho ase Duncan Williams mpenifo akese omo wo honum a omo ye nyamedwuma president kasa omo bu omumu hwe 31st yi can say watch night ye kwa sorry na edura yi ye bodwum kakra sofo no stop here because the excitement joy obiesa ehwa no o stop ade no o se ye yapon obi ankwatena se ye modwum no biom so because aden obetima ja amomasa but wonim say president akase yenye sadi we eti wonko eden onko buso eno ade yeka eti enu anom Ghana fo moma nyina yemfa yema yano nya baako da yehu se yenya problem a bebi a yebedwane akọ eye ya sofo ho de je omo kasa kire yen a yatie na se sofo entimi enkasa yie na obeya so brache president kasa no obegina no awofom adi na temo a ensisi yeso sa sofo no so ensisi yeso no so mumma ye nyina yemfa ya no entum ne yenkanche papa ne se wankasa yie na ni nso ade wontimi endi Ghana president atem eti omra bonten ewo na sorry dem honom a embepa chew aduanom ami se yajeje correction wie ne de osum no ba wie eti ebeda mu nyina ase na said de meshase a medi kan no you are free o pesa o video ne odi be bia you are free to do it but put my name there, don't add my family within the hopes in your v adoye period so the video we go to baby now the my family attach here I am going to see you that one take it from me what the two baby now what the my family attach it I will see you get Mr. You are free to use it whatever you want to use it for any problem but what I'm saying good I'm say yama quotation the baby 1 Peter 2:1-3 was it submit yourself for the Lord's sake to every to every woman institution whether sorry yani style honum but 1 Peter 2 is it 1-3 or 13 1 Peter 2:13 or 1-3 one fa yi na nhye ho yenti no ya behwe me fam Bible a mebie na makan eti eno ne ade a ya de ekoyi esese obiatimi esubmit ho ewo awurade enti ema opipia na sa oya wagene se wo de sofo mu nyina mo hyemrase sofo bia ni hono mo so no won de ode no ho so mo de moti se ye na ewo man no mu ye nyina ye hyemrase ye kase obia nkoda wodi America okwakoda bi eni ne kai ka ho eti besro memma ho so what you say what is former president Mahama can be no be idea doesn't mean say no betuma ba beka bi wonti bi meka bi wono nyamedwuma na wo ye you are not into politics eti yade ade ato ho nhihye covid protocols update a president be mai John Mahama ntimi nka so no oye yinti no wonni so obedi so oye o mind papa obedi so eti wo sofo no wo tumi a wo say wo de president deben wo ye nyatwom nyankopon be jeje no ene ne kai kan no ene no free o muade wan kasa yi bra na be pacho na Sunday mi angasa me masoro ho but me nkro for be ba ho pa be 10 bɛyɛ 10 bɛba hɔ wɔn ba bɛtie wokasa wɔ ho a good yɛho sɛ watwe ano asan president me sorry yɛwie woanyɛ deɛ a then prepare to meet me. I am ready for you. Menkɔnkɔdi watam menkɔpo menkɔyɛ hwee sɛ ya adwenkyerɛ saa sɛneɛ wɔwɔ ano yɛde kasa no saa na mesomwɔ ano a yɛde kasa but to say president yareɛ no kunkum nkɔkora ana president yɛakokora nti no yareɛ no bɛkunu no ɔn deɛ mesrɛ Nyankopɔn nhyira ma wan na Nyankopɔn ɛna kyerɛ nipa a obɛfiri asase so nnɛ anaasɛ ɔkyena Nyankopɔn ɛna kyerɛ na Akufo-Addo deɛ we know sɛne David kaeɛ no he will live to glorify the works of the Lord. Tiada mo nyinaa ase sɛ moatie Nyankopɔn ɛnka mo nyinaa ho. God bless you all. Bye bye.